When exactly did you enroll in this fast track program?
June 18, 2025.
Also, this year itself, in
Yeah, this
June.
year.
Okay, and then I think it's like hardly how many months? 3 to 4 months. And you got a placement also.
Yes, 3 months.
3 months, right? That is amazing. Okay, 18 June to, and I think today is 19 September. Exact 3 months. And you got a. That is wonderful. Now, how exactly did you had faith ki yaar, the course is genuine and I should invest my time here, I should invest my money? Like, how did you decide that? There are other courses also in the market, right? So like, why Accio job only?
So it was a self-paced course. First of all, we can learn where it was not an offline course.
Right.
There were almost every DSA topics were covered, like projects were covered. There was community support, coding support. There was everything I needed, plus opportunities. So I decided to go with it. There were everything that we need.
Hi everyone, today we have Samyak here with us who has recently got placed in Lowe's India as an associate software engineer at an 11.5 LPA. So today in this video, we will talk about his journey, how exactly did he start this entire journey, got to know about Accio job, and how does he currently feel after getting placed at Lowe's, okay? So over to you, Samyak. I would like you to tell something to our viewers about yourself.
So my name is Samyak Surendra Nakle. I've completed my graduation from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere in 2024 with a degree in computer engineering. Then I immediately got a job in Tech Mahindra as an associate software engineer. I worked there for almost 9 months. Then I decided that field was in non-technical, so I decided to pursue a career in software development. So I was just searching for jobs, but there were not very enough opportunities and interview calls. Then I get to know about ACO job through Telegram. And then further I joined some offline drives in it, got selected, but at the end of it got rejected. So after a call coming from ACO job, that there was some course, full stack course, self-paced course. So I joined that course, and there were pretty much opportunities, like 40 plus monthly drives, everything was smooth and good.
Got it. Okay. So thank you so much for giving this brief introduction about yourself and telling our viewers about your entire journey. Now coming back to your college, like, were you always sure that you wanted to become a software engineer? Like, ये clarity इतनी
No, I was actually blank until third year. And then fourth year, everyone was preparing for placement, everyone was serious. So at that time also decided to pursue a career in software engineering.
Got it. So third year तक आप एकदम chill कर रहे थे, and then fourth year में सबको देख के you felt कि यार अब तो time आ गया, you should start. So how were you preparing back in fourth year? Like, कैसे आप prepare करते थे?
Fourth year, I was just used to. First of all, there was some projects we have to complete a project, final year project. So I entirely go 3 to 4 months on project only, and then afterwards I started to applying for companies, cleared some aptitudes, read aptitudes exams, and some normal DSA questions, and that's as a place into Tech Mahindra. So not so much advanced questions, just introductory questions, basic questions.
Okay, got it. And like, किसी से help ली थी आपने during that duration? Was there anybody willing to guide you properly? कैसे करना है?
There was just my friends. There was no guidance.
Peer group से ही सब जो भी मतलब एक दूसरे से पूछ के कि तू क्या करना है, मुझे क्या करना चाहिए, वैसे ही, right? And I believe कॉलेज में सब लोग वैसे ही करते हैं. वो प्रॉपर गाइडेंस थोड़ी मिसिंग होती है व्हेन वी वो जो गोल्डन हमारे ईयर्स होता है ना, उसमें थोड़ी सी गाइडेंस मिसिंग होती है कॉलेज में. गॉट इट. तो फिर देन ये जो आपकी टेक महिंद्रा में प्लेसमेंट हुई थी, वाज इट थ्रू कॉलेज पूल प्लेसमेंट्स और लाइक डिड यू अप्लाई
ऑफ कैंपस?
दैट वाज
from their portal only, Tech Mahindra portal.
अच्छा, तो you directly applied उनके
portal? Directly applied.
Got it. So you were there for 9 months, and you mentioned that it was a non-technical role.
Yeah, non-technical role. It was this client. You have to support just client queries. You have to resolve the client queries. Ticketing platform, we can say.
Got it. Okay. So then, how did you felt the need कि यार मुझे तो development में जाना है?
Yeah, for that it was good until 6 months, but after 6 months, I decided that it was not something I dreamed of in college, and it was nothing related to coding and anything. It was just like solve the issues, client issues, and we have to log in, I think, every day with meetings also. So I decided that I will pursue career in software development. So I decided to take a break and come back.
So you took a break after you left?
After 1 month, I took a break and decided what actually I have to become. Then I decided and I continued journey from there.
Okay, so then how exactly did you got to know about AccioJob? Like, what happened?
Actually, I have joined many Telegram groups at that time. Many Telegram groups, and just I got to know there was something offline drive at AccioJob at Pune center. So I gone through that center, and I got selected also. At interview, I got rejected. Mine sticks. So I was felt very bad, and then just they had a call with me and just asked me to enroll in their Java full stack course. They have openings, so multiple openings, and internship opportunities, internship and job opportunities, and then I enrolled in that course.
Got it.
Okay.
Okay, so Mindstick was your first walk-in drive in which you participated at our center, right? You went there. Now you just mentioned that you were rejected in the assessment. You were shortlisted, but then with the interviews that happens with the company, in that stage you were rejected. So were there any learnings from that rejection? Like, did you realize something from that rejection?
From every rejection, I learned something. Like I had to present English communication skills, how to detail explanation. Like there was something to learn from every rejection.
Each rejection, and that's a very good thing, because a lot of times people, they are like कि मेरी तो गलती थी नहीं, maybe I was too perfect, they could not see my talent or something. वो थोड़ा आ जाता है लोगों में, but it is very good that you utilized each of your rejection and there was a learning for you in every rejections that you faced. Right, then उसके बाद you got to know that we have our fast track program. So the self-paced, I want to tell our users also, the self-paced program is also called as fast track program here at AccioJob. So he got to know about our fast track program also. And then did you had to convince your family कि मुझे fast track में admission लेना है, या they were fine कि?
No, they were fine with it. They were fine with it.
They were fine with it. Okay, so when exactly did you enroll in this fast track program?
June 18, 2025.
Also, this year itself, in June. Okay, and then I think it's like hardly how many months? 3 to 4 months. And you got a placement also.
Yes, 3 months.
3 months, right? That is amazing. Okay, 18 June to, and I think today is 19 September. Exact 3 months. And you got a, that is wonderful. Now, how exactly did you had faith ki yaar, the course is genuine and I should, invest my time here, I should invest my money? Like, how did you decide that? There are other courses also in the market, right? So, like, why AccioJob only?
So, it was a self-paced course. First of all, we can learn whenever it was not an offline course.
Right.
There were almost every DSA topics were covered, like projects were covered. There was community support, coding support. There was everything I needed, plus opportunities. So, I decided to go with it. There was everything that we need at this stage.
Did you compare it with other courses also that are available in the market?
No, I did not.
This was the only course that you got to think about, and you took the decision to enroll in. Okay. Anything that was favorite, like one of the most favorite part of this entire training journey, like this entire 3 months, what was your most favorite thing about this course that you were in?
Support was good. Support was very much good. Whenever I had doubts, they resolved instantly my doubts. So there was no waiting between doubts.
The doubt support was good enough.
Concepts were clear.
Did you face any issue in understanding from the recorded videos? Like, since in Fast Track, you don't get live classes, right? There were recorded sessions provided to you.
Pretty much from basics only, they have covered everything. So I don't have any much issues with that. They have covered everything.
It was easy for you to understand everything. Got it. Now, when your family got to know that, okay, after just within 3 months, you were able to get this placement in Lois India, and that too at 11.5 LPA, how was their reaction?
They was pretty much very much happy. They can't believe that I landed a job. Like, I was struggling to get a 5 LPA job also, and they just can't believe. Still, they can't believe that I got it.
Okay. How did your friends react to it? Did you share it with your friends?
Yes, they were also very shocked. Everyone was very much shocked that how.
Very shocked, right? Wonderful. It's very good to know, and see, I believe that people think, just ऐसे you just apply, you'll get a job. There's our course में अगर enroll कर दिया, कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये थोड़ा एक mindset हो जाता है लोगों का. But then I believe कि यार थोड़ा initially तो आपको hard work करना ही पड़ेगा. You cannot just expect कि मैंने course join कर लिया है तो मेरी job लग जाएगी. You will have to do the hard work initially, because बिना hard work के तो I don't think so anybody can just ऐसी magically job तो किसी की नहीं लगती है ना. Correct, absolutely correct. Now, agar you have to summarize your entire journey here at AccioJob in just one line, how will you summarize it?
One line. So it was a very short journey and very good journey. Like, in 3 months, I landed a good job, learned about various concepts and entire engineering. I would say that very much I learned everything that is needed to get a job. Yeah, in just few months. That they were from basic to advanced, they were covering everything. So yeah.
Yeah.
So that's why it was short and good journey.
Got it. And if there was one thing that we did exactly right in helping you getting placed, what was it? Like anything
Like,
particularly?
it was proper support. Support was very much good.
The entire
Yeah.
support.
Yes, entire support team was very much helpful and guided. The PFs were also much helpful.
Got it. Now, is there any message that you would like to give to our viewers? Now, see, there are a lot of people who are listening to this video, who are watching this video. So, any message that you would like to give them that can, motivate them to start their journey, their placement journey? Anything?
Like, just try, never give up, because you will land something, a job, very good job. Just never give up. That's all.
Absolutely correct. So the never give up attitude helped him getting a job. So anybody can get. If you have that attitude, pretty sure you can land a job very easily, right?
You will felt many rejections, but every rejection will teach you something.
Exactly. And it is very important that you take your teachings properly and you learn something from these rejections that you are getting. All right. One last question before, we come to the end of the session, which is, if you were to describe Accio job with one emoji, what will that emoji be?
I don't know that name of the emoji. Saluting.
Salute.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. That is nice. Thank you so much, Samyak, for sharing your entire story with us. I am sure a lot of people will be motivated from your story and they will have something to learn from here as well. Right. So thank you so much and congratulations once again on getting paid. Always, I believe this is just the start. There are more achievements for you coming your way. So all the very best for all of these achievements. But now, before we end the video, let's just move towards a little fun game that we'll be playing. It is going to be a rapid fire round. Okay, so I will be shooting some choice-based questions towards you, and within less than 10 seconds, you have to decide any options among the two choices that I am giving you. Okay, so that is how we'll be. You must have seen it on Coffee with Karan.
Yes. I watched.
Yes. So I have some questionnaire prepared based on the resume that I received from our placement team. Right. So let's just start. We will start with tech and career category first. Okay. So the first question that I have for you is, if you have to choose any one between the two technologies, what will it be? Spring Boot or Android Studio?
Spring Boot.
Okay. Now, debugging at 2 a.m. or writing fresh code at 6 a.m. What is your superpower?
Debugging at 2 a.m.
2 a.m.? Seriously?
Yes.
Okay. Kafka or MySQL? Which one gives you more adrenaline? MySQL. Okay, got it. And okay, yes, again, I saw your projects also. So this is more related to your project work. If you had to work only on one of these projects, which was one you made, I think, Uber Clone, and the other one was Tic-Tac-Toe Multiplayer, which project would you pick to showcase your skills?
Uber Clone.
Good. And Tic-Tac-Toe is, I think, an easy game. Yeah, it's very basic. Got it. Now let's get to some. I saw you have a few achievements also in your resume, so we'll cover a few questions over there. So, CodeChef 3-star badge or Chess.com 1700 rating, which one feels like a bigger flex to you?
Chess.com.
Okay, that's nice. All right. Another one, Codeforces contest versus chess tournament. Where would we find more intense version of you?
Both are equally, but if I choose one, then it will be Codeforces.
Got it. Okay. Let's ask a few questions on chess also then, if we are, talking about chess. Queen or knight? Your favorite chess piece?
Queen.
Okay, of course. Blitz game, 3 minutes or classic 30 minutes? What's more fun for you? Classic 30 minutes? Got it. And would you sacrifice a queen for a brilliant win or play a safe for a guaranteed draw?
Sacrifice
your queen?
Yes.
Okay, amazing. Thank you so much, Samyak. It was very fun interacting with you, and I'm sure our viewers would enjoy it as well, right? And again, congratulations once again, and all the very best for your career.
Thank you.